Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to go ahead and replace the battery on this Hyundai Tucson. This is a 2019, so if your Tucson look like this, it's going to be the same procedure of changing it. No matter what year it is, if it's 2020, once it look like this, it's the same procedure. So the battery down here, the battery is dead, it's no good. So we're going to go ahead and replace the battery. And also guys, please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and let's do this. And guys, you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver. Link will be in the description as well to where you're gonna get the tools from. So on the clips like this right here, you have some slot where you put your flathead screwdriver, pry this part up, then the rest of the clip come up. So I find it like that, then you can take it out just like that. And then after that, you can just go ahead and lift out your air intake. And now you're gonna have the battery right here. And to remove the terminal, you want to remove the negative terminal first, 10mm. Link will be in the description to where you can get the tool and the battery as well also. Go ahead and remove the terminal. Alright, so that's done. Down here you have a 12mm. We're going to take that out, so we need an extension. Once that's done, take out the battery. So the battery it takes, it's a 48. So make sure you get a 48 battery. Go ahead, make sure your net positive is on the positive side and the negative is on the negative side. Make sure all your cables will fit. Once the battery is seated, then you can go ahead and tighten this down. Then you want to put on your positive cable first. And don't forget this. So it's helped to put it on while the battery is out, but as you see, I already have it in. Get your 10mm and tighten that up. Once that's done, get your So this is what happened to me, guys. It might happen to you too. The battery is too much to one side, so this part won't go back in. That's happened to you. There's not a big deal. Just go ahead and remove this 12mm. We'll loosen it up, and once you loosen that up, then you can shift the battery over and tighten it back up. And go ahead and put this in now. Get your clips. And that's it, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. That's how you change your battery on a Hyundai Tucson. Peace out. See you next time.